Everybody, my name is Maximilian, coming up with the next video. This time we are unboxing another package, this time from EastMallBuy. As you guys can see, they do offer a lot of nice coupons and their service is just great. And before we start, let me show you quickly the PandaBuy Find website where you can look for the links also for EastMallBuy. So I paid for this package roughly $156 to get shipped to me. It's shipped to me via DHL, so let's just begin unboxing. Let's see how it all looks like. So let's just take a look at the quality of the brakes. I'm so excited, let's see how it all looks like. So here we have the instructions, the Targa model, and as you can see, it's exactly like Lego. These are basically one-to-one brakes with the real ones. Okay, and continuing, here we also have another set of Legos, as you can see, the same Porsche Targa. It all looks just beautiful. Hey people, and continuing here we also have loads of different items, especially these Arc'teryx trousers, which are made from a very nice fabric. And as you can see, this is the Arc'teryx logo here with the Gore-Tex, and yeah, the trousers look quite nice, to be honest. I really like how they all look like, the fit is great. Let's wear them now, let's see how they all look like. And these ones are from the Shark Breeder. Okay folks, so this is how the Arc'teryx trousers look on me. Honestly they're nice, but I need a belt for them obviously, because they're just kind of, you know, off my waist. One great thing about them is that you actually can get this thing open, so if you have like some ski boots or whatever, you can just open them and get this thing easily placed and attached, so it's great. And you have such perks like the sealed ziplock, and here is obviously the Arc'teryx logo right over here, and on the other side this is the logo that. Okay, so continuing here we also have another shoes to unbox. Here we have them guys, the Uke shoes. As you can see, yeah, I'm quite a big fan of the Uke shoes, they look just great. Okay, let's just see how they all look like inside of here, and yeah, I'm so excited. So yeah, as you can see, the Uke shoes do come with the natural paper like this. See how they all look like. So these ones are in quite unique color, as you can see, the Uke shoes, and they do come with the wool inside. It's more of a grayish or khaki color, quite of a interesting one, definitely a unique one. And yeah, I like how it all looks like, it's very nice, the logo is great. And yeah, you can never go wrong with the Uke shoes. These are in the size 39, so great shoes. The other pair is also just great. As you can see, this is how it all looks like. The material is consistent, everything is nice, everything is the way it should. And what this is the North Face jacket, the winter one, from a very nice supplier called. So the jacket is from Only Kicks. As you can see, they offer loads of different sneakers and jackets and whole sets of shoes and clothes. They just offer everything. So yeah, if you want to purchase this jacket or anything else from this guy, here is the UPO page with album with their items, and you can just get shipped anything to the warehouse. Let's see how this jacket looks like. So this one is not the regular jacket from North Face or anything like this. This one is a true Talent series, the ones they use for like going into the Himalayas or whatever. And yeah, this one is just a great quality. This is the 3-in-1 system, so you have like 3 different layers of protection in the goose down in it. So right now let's see how it all looks like. First, looks just beautiful. I love how it all looks like. And yeah, this is how it all looks like. You have some different zippers here as well. So yeah, this is like a real Himalayan type of a jacket you would use on some nice harsh winters. The logo looks great as well. On the side we also do have the Summit series badge, and yeah, the jacket is just beautiful. On the sides here you also do have some additional zip blockers. The pockets are quite deep, I like them. Inside you obviously get this goose type of a finish, so yeah, it's just great. Let's wear it now, let's see how the jacket fits. So this is how the jacket looks on me. As you can see guys, this one is just great. And yeah, it's very warm. For winter, it's just a great jacket. You have this thing available and then link down in the description where you can purchase this thing, and yeah, do it, because if you're looking for a great equipment for winter, you can never go wrong with such items like these. Okay, and continuing guys, here we also have some nice items to get unboxed. The last two items. Here we have the also uke, and as you can see, these ones are in a regular brown color, and they do come with such item for you. So yeah, it's just very nice. It's the uke shoes, they do come with such fillings, and the wool inside here is very warm. I like them. They're just phenomenal, to be honest. And these ones are in a size 38. So these are in a size 38. They do come with such items. The leather is just great. I love it. Highly recommend you guys checking this thing out. Anyway, here we also have another uke shoe, and the last one, obviously. Everything looks to be the same. This is the same model, the same color and everything. Even the size is the same. This is how on the back the shoes look like, and here on the side and here on the insides, and yeah, the wool is just the same. Everything is just same. Okay people, so just like this is the whole of these 7 items. As you can see, we have 2 times the Porsche, 3 times the uke shoes, and we also have the Arctic trousers and the beautiful Himalayan jacket for winter. Yeah, it's just great. Remember, only kicks, be sure to check this guy out, and also one of the best agents, the EastMallBuy, be sure to just check them out. We have the link down in the description. Without them, this haul wouldn't be possible, so yeah, be sure to check the EastMallBuy as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have some questions, simply ask me in the comment section. I will answer you. And see you in the next video. Bye!